This is a basic tutorial on simple steps to playing the piano. We're going to be going over 10 steps on how to start playing piano. So step 1, you need to get a piano. It doesn't have to be an expensive grand piano. You can just get a keyboard. You don't have to get the full size of 88 keys, which this is a full size one. But you need to get a piano. I prefer the full 88 keys because there are some songs that just go up and down the keyboard, and with the small version you can't play them. Step 2, now that you have a piano, you want to begin learning about the bass and the treble clef. So a treble clef is a symbol indicating that the second line from the bottom of the staff represents the pitch of G above middle C. And a bass clef is a symbol indicating that the pitch of the second highest line of the staff is F below middle C. So you will find the treble clef or the bass clef at the beginning of a staff, and it shows you what you need to play, and then if it wants to change, you'll see it later on in the staff. Step 3, now you want to learn about theory. So you can get a basic theory book, or you can look online to learn about playing and just the different symbols like sharps, flats, and rests. And you're going to want to get a theory book, or, just look at videos online. Step 4, you need to know correct finger placement. So your right thumb is going to go on middle C, and your left thumb is going to go on the G below middle C. And then the rest of your fingers just lay out on each key. So your fingers, a nice way to look at it is you number each finger. So your thumb is 1, your index finger is 2, your middle finger is 3, and your ring finger is 4, and your pinky is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And for this you do 1 on your pinky, 2 on your ring finger, 3 on your middle finger, 4 on your index finger, and 5 on your thumb. Now step 5, you want to learn to read notes. Now this will probably be in your theory book, it'll probably teach you that, but if it doesn't, then you can get a beginning playing book, just piano basics book, or you can look online to see how that all works. Now step 6, now that you have all that stuff figured out, you want to learn the best way to warm up your fingers. So what I like to do is I like to put it on the correct finger placement and push down every key and then lift one up at a time. Or you can push them all down and lift 2 at a time. You can do it at the same time, that might warm up your fingers quicker, or you can just go up through the notes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quickly. That's how I like to do it too. Now step 7, you want to know how the pedal works. So the pedal will extend the note, make it longer, and the pedal's always good because if you don't use it, then it just sounds like, which some songs you do want to use that, but it sounds better on most songs if it goes together nicely. Now step 8, you need to know how to go up the scale, well, not up the scale, just from one note to another note, so from C to C. So you do your first, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're going to take 1, which is your thumb, cross it underneath, and hit the next note, which is F, if you're going up a C scale. And if you want to go back down, then that's one way you can do it, or you can just... I normally just use my index and my thumb finger after that. That's how it works for me. So you can start out slow and get faster. So pretty soon, once you have that mastered, you'll be able to play something like... songs use that, and some songs don't. So now step 9, before getting right into playing, you're going to want to learn some beginner songs, which you can just get in a beginner book. And if you're not interested in doing beginner songs, I guess you can get right into it, but I would suggest learning some beginner songs before you do that. And then step 10 is to just practice. Practice, practice, practice. You need a lot of practice to get good at something, so that's really what you need to do. You just need to practice.